So good day everyone, my name is Mary Cornejo, a first year B-BSCRIM student. So I'm here to discuss my chosen topics from Module 1 and 2, the Lesson 1.1, Nature, Types, and Relevance of What is the meaning and relevance of history? So to speak of history, the first thing that comes to our minds is about the event in the past. There is no other way to define history but to talk about the past. However, with history, it is not just about talking in the event. There is more in history that we can get from, because if we only look at history, event in the somehow, there is nothing special to it. Considering that we spend so much time talking about the past, then there must be something that we can learn from it. If you can imagine, we started learning about history in elementary, high school, and then in college. So within the course of our educational years, all things mentioned about Philippine history are just history, as everything that has happened in the past or account in the past. So according to James Davidson and Mark Little 1982, history is not what happened in the past. Rather, it is the act of selecting, analyzing, and writing about the past. From her, we can say that there is more than history, than just the plain history. One has to be critical and analyze if everything that was written, primary or secondary, is factual or not, and is not biased. Thus, history therefore is about the past and the study of the past. Moreover, on the part of the historian, the selected happenings are not only narrated but are also analyzed. So the result of this analysis is an interpretation. The interpretation becomes a creation based on the event that took place in the past. Sometimes, this could lead us thinking, is history an act of creation or an act of recreation? So if we say that it is an act of creation, it is based on an individualistic perspective. With individualism, certain factors may have affected or influenced the writer's views. These views would create history out of history. That is why, in the old practice, students were only exposed to reading secondary source materials. So what about recreating history? So another nature of history that we can consider is that it studies the present in the light of the past. So historians always rely on the surviving record. It's the primary way that they get a view of the past and reflect on it. So reflection on the document is a way of learning by inquiry. Again, what we know about certain event in the past are just portions of the whole.